Hello viewers, welcome back to Marvelous Motivations Golf 101, and our guest for this series again, Mr. Passionate, Alex.
Thanks, Prince, for having me.
So Golf 101, we're going to change it up today. Today Alex is going to show us on alignment. So alignment, talk about alignment, Alex.
Okay, so we don't want to get alignment confused with aim, okay? The aim is something else that we discussed last week. So what we're going to do is talk about alignment today. How I properly have myself, my body positioned and aligned to my target, all right? So we're going to use this target, which is that blue billboard down there. And Prince, I want you to act like you're going to hit a ball over there. We're not going to hit just yet, but I just want you to see how you align to that target, okay?
Changing my club a little bit.
That's cool.
To the blue target.
Yeah, the blue target out there. How would you align to that? Let me just see what you got. Mr. Marvelous always does a great job. All right. So we're not hitting yet. So let's see. We want to look at the shoulders first. Okay. The shoulder is going to be aimed right at that target. All right. Because your shoulders dictate your arms and your hands. Wherever your shoulders are aimed, that's going to dictate where you're aligned, all right? Let's look at his footwork, though. Let's see how he's lined up there. I'm just going to put a club down. You can use that. Viewers at home, you can always use a club when you're practicing to make sure you have proper alignment, all right? So everything's lined up just perfect. He has the correct posture, which we talked about. He has the correct grip. He's aligned and aimed correctly. He's ready to rock and roll. Once we have that routine down, posture, grip, aim, and alignment, you'll have more consecutive great golf shots. More marvelous golf shots, if you will. Prince did an amazing job. Go ahead and give it a whack and let's see what we can do. Right on target, ladies and gentlemen. Right on target. Woo! That's how we do it, baby.
Love that. So there you have it for target and alignment. So thank you. Any questions again, let us know. Alex, thank you.
Thanks a lot. Appreciate it.
And remember, be marvelous.
Bye.